Look at this thing. I'm not just falling for this unit based on looks alone. It has a great personality too. So pour a glass and sit back. Let me tell you all about my date with the Naim Uniti Atom. You like music gear? Me too! So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our latest audiophile reviews and videos. I like all-in-one units. They're convenient, compact, and pretty much do it all. The Naim Uniti Atom is no different. Naim's been around for a while and they have a great reputation for making some really great and stylish streamers and amps. Keyword stylish. The Uniti Atom is a striking piece of gear. From the sleek display on the front to the oversized volume knob on the top, the Uniti Atom is not a piece you want to hide away on your shelf with your other gear. It's the centerpiece, and deservedly so. The amplifier is built sturdily with a brushed and anodized aluminum chassis and some great design elements which make it an intuitive and easy to navigate device. The I/O is great on the back. 2 optical SPDIFs, coaxial RCA, 1 stereo RCA pair, 2 USB 2.0 Type A's, XLR balanced headphone jack, balanced XLR preamp, RCA preamp outputs, and Ethernet. On the front you'll find a 4.4mm and 1/4-inch headphone jack and another USB Type A for external media. The sides of the amplifier are large heat sinks which dissipate the heat well and double as wireless antennas. But the star of the show is the top and front of the Uniti Atom. The front of the chassis has a smooth glass finish which features a beautiful 5-inch color TFT display. The display is sharp and although minimalist in design, is incredibly intuitive and simple to navigate. Much like a smartphone, the Uniti Atom utilizes application icons for navigation and it makes for a great experience. The display integrates well with the included Zigbee remote also. The minimalist design is carried over there too, being a mostly unassuming black rectangle with backlit buttons. The remote also automatically lights up when picked up or moved. A delightful but subtle premium touch. The tactile experience is fully realized on top of the amp with the large oversized volume knob. The smooth scrolling of the large wheel is extremely pleasant and lends to the notion that you have precise control over the volume of your music. It's an overstated design combined with an understated aesthetic, and it works beautifully. The nice thing about the Uniti Atom amplifier is that it has so many inputs and outputs, you can literally listen to it however you want. Even though it is a headphone edition, the Atom works well with active speakers too, making it an easy way to get into a Naim system. For my testing purposes, I paired the Uniti Atom amplifier with the Focal Utopia headphones and a Black Dragon premium cable. Something with the black color scheme really made this a sexy setup, and needless to say, I wasn't disappointed. Naim also has a special relationship with Focal, so be assured if you have some Focal cans, they're going to sound great paired with the Uniti Atom. You can read all about my sound impressions with the Atom in the written review, but overall the Naim Uniti Atom is a sonic powerhouse. It's incredibly balanced and transparent, imaging is precise, and timing and responsiveness is superb. If I had my way, I'd want a little more bass and low end from the machine, but that is easily remedied with a Black Dragon cable, which adds a surprising amount of warmth and musicality to the sound. The Uniti Atom sounds just as good as it looks. I easily put this in my top 10 list of all-in-one music players. Lastly, Naim doesn't skimp on features here either. The Uniti Atom is equipped with Bluetooth for direct device connection and streaming, as well as integrated streaming apps like Spotify, Tidal, and Qobuz, which are available at the push of a button. It has internet radio with a curated collection of HD stations and podcasts, AirPlay 2 support, Chromecast built-in, and even Roon Ready status. The Atom is multi-room streaming compatible through the Naim app, allowing you to sync up to 5 Naim streaming devices in your home. It's an incredible number of options for one device, giving you absolute control of your music. The Uniti Atom amplifier, DAC, and music streamer is one of the most feature-packed do-it-all desktop units I've had the pleasure of listening to. The volume dial and the gorgeous display on the front of the unit helps this device stand apart from the crowd and makes for one of the best user experiences I've ever had. If you want a box that can literally do it all, then we can't recommend the Naim Uniti Atom enough. We'll include a link to the full review, and remember to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our latest audiophile videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.